do an attempted repair on Mr. Joseph Brown's roof at 12677 Two Lakes Drive. I got a windblown tab here, blew completely off. Some other tabs have been blown up as well, and it looks to have increased there. What we're gonna do is try to unseal this shingle all the way again. See if do that without it ripping on us. Surprising. Got it. We have to unseal this shingle and the one above it to unnail it and remove it. This little piece of this shingle as well. That. Like this. Should be all the ones we have to remove or to pull nails out of. One fastener here. One, two, and one gonna be down there. Typically I'd use a flat bar and go underneath, but since this roof's so degranulated, I'm gonna use this here nail puller to get them out. Right off the bat, this shingle tore just trying to get the nail out. One down. Two. Three. Check, I can't pull it out, so we'll need to pull whatever nails we can get to with this. One more. Shingle tore as well. Not quite sure if I can get this out without tearing up a lot. Hard for me to show, but this tore there and there. That's actually a hole now. And then it tore here as well. And right here. Continue to try and get it out. Should be able to now. Let's see, it's crazy. One more nail. The old shingle. Can't make out anything on the cellophane strip, but it, you know, it was 38.5 inches long. The sealant strip in the middle, more than likely going to be an alcove shingle. Yeah. Take this and save it for analysis. I apologize, I meant Atlas. I bought a new bundle of Atlas Black to go here. As you can tell, it's quite a bit longer than the original shingle. So this is the edge. It's butted up against the edge over there as well. Take plenty of photos to show the difference. See if I can get a couple good pictures. Back to the video, we'll have to, just for the sake of showing the repairability of the roof, we'll have to cut this shingle here to fit, which is not allowed by building code, but again, just to show the repairability of the roof. Avoid another trip. You can imagine probably why it's not allowed. It's extremely difficult to get a clean cut. A little easier with the shingle being hot like it is. That works. fair amount of mulch off that one. As you can tell, it's not really similar at all. Again, just because we're showing the repairability of the roof, go ahead and put some nails in. Line her up. No way I'm going to be able to nail that or lift that up high enough. Try this roof snake, see if it's able to help any at all. It did, but it broke that shingle too. And there. Better than nothing, but it still didn't save that one from getting too damaged at all. But one thing I will know is a crew member is probably not going to care to use that at all. So this nailing this shingle down, I'd like to go ahead and try standard way. Really do that well. Granules coming out. Get another nail here. One more up the second shingle. one. This shingle actually pulled right through the nails above it, or the nails that I just put in. Bear in mind, this is on the bottom of the roof, so if I have to go up, this is going to be not very fun at all. There's basically no good way to get the fasteners flat without damaging these shingles. It's just, all in all, this shingle's almost completely unnailed now. So, before I turn the video off and take pictures, this one, and it came loose from the nails. I'm probably not going to be able to show that much, but there's one there. And the other one down there on the end. So it's almost completely loose on that side, especially. Let's see. Yeah. You can see where it pulled through there. There and there. It's a new hole there. Take some photos for you.